Welcome to the neighborhood of Water Oak and specifically 1108 Winding Way. Now this neighborhood offers plenty of mature trees and also beautiful hill country views, a pool, walking trails, and a park. Now the other thing about this home is you're going to notice it has a very flat driveway, a 3-car garage, and of course it's a 1-story. So let's go in, take a look, and let me show you some of the standout features. Now, as you notice, you have some really cool interior features. One is you have an office at the front of the home offering a really great view, but then you have this skylight in the dining room, which is such a nice feature in offering plenty of natural light without having to raise those electricity bills. In the living room, there is a stone fireplace that opens up to an expansive kitchen featuring granite, windows for more natural light, and beautiful cabinetry. Now the plantation shutters in this home offer some additional elegance. Let's check out the primary bedroom and then let's take a look at some of the exterior features. Now as you come onto the back patio, you will notice that it is an expansive patio covered, offering shades to keep you nice and cool, and then it has a phenomenal view of the hill country. You will also notice that there are plenty of amenities in the yard, such as a fire pit, a pond feature, and a built-in grill with a sink. So let's go down and check it out. If you've been looking for a 1-story home with a 3-car garage and a phenomenal backyard in a stellar neighborhood, you just found it. So give us a call at T. Kerr Property Group and we will make sure that you get a private showing.